Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top of the short sheets for iOS 11, 12, and 13 of 13.4.1. The first sheet is called Lance, and this is Ultimate Device Customization. This suite is called Contact Sync, and this syncs your WhatsApp profile pictures to your contacts. This suite is called Frame, and with this suite you can set videos as wallpapers. This suite is called Chromatic, and with this suite, colorify your iOS 13 music app. This is called Chroma, and basically simple and lightweight theme and solution. Changes any default tint to your selected color. Next week is called Court, and basically with this tweak, it brings a new look to notifications. Notifications are now rounded and more compact. So media player, pull to dismiss, customization, tweak support, and return policy. Next week is called Spy, and we all have those annoying and nosy friends / girlfriend and wives who we lend our phone to check our photo, make an urgent phone call, play a game, and then end up opening our photos, conversations, even notes. So Spies must have tweaked for that situations. So it's integrated by a control center module into your control center, or swiping right to the status bar. Spy mode gets activated. So in spy mode, all open apps are logged the date, time, hours, and minutes and seconds. When you get your phone back, you can again click on the spy control center module or swipe left on the status bar to view the log. So pretty cool. You also get more features. So when spy mode, you can whitelist certain apps. Other than having a non-hidden control center toggle in the control center, you can also enable the status bar option, which you can activate and deactivate spy mode, disable the alerts, change the text on the alerts, lock the phone, disable what apps are launched in spy mode, spy CC lock and locks the control center, modules with fingerprint or face ID so no one other than you can disable and enable it. And yeah, so you have fake passcode, and you can change the control center module image to either a clock, calculator, or the original one in order to make it look suspicious. So pretty cool. That's it right there. And you can show your log and tells you the time and all that stuff and what apps they open. This feature is called Yobon Pro, and you swipe over 2 fingers in your springboard and you get these features right here. This feature is called Substitute, and substitute for code substitution. This feature is called Delete Contact, and Delete Contact allows you to delete contacts from your iDevice's address book. So pretty cool. This is called Portrait Photos, enables all portrait lighting effects in Camera app and Photos apps. So you have natural light, contour light, studio light, stage light mono, stage light, high key light mono. So pretty cool. This tweak is called No Clutter, and with this tweak it hides elements that clutter iOS. This tweak is called UFold. It stylish 10 icons in your vertical folders. This is called Blur Switch, and it blur UI switch knobs. This is called WeChat Auto Login, and basically with this tweak it's just the auto login for WeChat. This is called Vinyl, and it brings a clean, simple look to the last game music player, and it allows you to select the show progress bar, volume bar, both, toggle visibility and connectivity button, adjust the player and artwork corner radius, adjust the player's background opacity incrementally, and change the color of the player's text and controls black and white. Next is called Transparent Notif, and cleans up the notification banners. Next tweak is called No Clutter, and it hides elements that clutter iOS. Next tweak is called Garden, and basically this tweak you media player reimagine a custom page on the home screen with no more to come. Next tweak is called Batchomatic, and with this tweak it allows you to back up Cydia tweets and sources. So if you move into a new jailbreak, or you update your iOS version and then you can jailbreak again, then you can also just reinstall this tweak and get all your sources and tweets back. This tweak is called EW2.music controls, and basically it's one of the oldest designs. This tweak is called libcozy, and it's intelligent artwork color and analyzer. This tweak is called libcs preferences, and basically what this tweak does, it's a preference library that doesn't suck. This is called Zebra. It's a basic package manager alternative to Cydia for your iOS device. So if you want a new and updated package manager, this is the tweak you guys can get. This is called Song Share, and easily share songs with friends.